Ever grappled with the complexity of choosing a first musical instrument? Fret not. Today we delve into the art of selecting your first musical instrument. A decision that might seem daunting, but with the right guidance, transforms into an exciting journey of discovery. Step 1. Identify your musical preferences. Musical instruments produce a wide variety of sounds. Some resonate with the deep mellow tones of a cello, while others find their heartbeats to the rhythm of a drum. Listen to different types of music and identify the instrumental sounds that truly move you. Step 2. Consider their practicalities. Some instruments require a significant commitment of time, space, and money. A grand piano, for example, is not only expensive but also demands considerable space and maintenance. On the other hand, a flute is relatively affordable, portable, and easy to maintain. Align your choice with your lifestyle and resources. Step 3. Gauge your physical capabilities. Certain instruments require specific physical attributes. For instance, playing the tuba demands strong lungs and a good breath control, whereas mastering the violin requires dexterity and a fine motor control. Take into account your physical strengths and limitations when making your choice. Step 4. Seek professional advice. Consult with music teachers or experienced musicians who can provide valuable insights based on their expertise and experience. They can guide you towards an instrument that suits your musical taste, lifestyle, and physical capabilities. Step 5. Try before you buy. Once you've narrowed down your choices, take each instrument for a test drive. Many music stores offer the opportunity to try out instruments. Experience the feel, the weight, the grip, and most importantly, the sound of each instrument before making a final decision. To summarize, choosing your first musical instrument involves a careful consideration of your musical preferences, practical constraints, physical capabilities, and professional advice. Remember, the best instrument for you is not necessarily the most expensive or the most popular, but the one that resonates with your soul, fits your lifestyle, and aligns with your physical abilities. So embark on this musical journey with an open mind and a ready heart. The right instrument will not only enhance your musical skills, but also enrich your life in ways you never imagined. Happy choosing.